Double letter consonant sounds. T, 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 twin, t, twin, twin, twink. Okay. Lesson 1, 8 words. Twin, 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 twig, 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 twist, 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 12, 12, 12, tweet, 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 twinkle, 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 twin, twig, twist, 12, tweet, twinkle, twin, twig, twist, 12, tweet, twinkle, twin, twig, twist, 12, tweet, twinkle. Review. How many people are in the picture? There are 2 people. Why do they look so similar? Because they are twins. What is a twig? A twig is a small branch of a tree. Can you break a twig easily? Yes, a twig is easy to break. What number comes after 11? 12 comes after 11. How many hours are on a clock? There are 12 hours on a clock. What twinkles in the night sky? Stars twinkle in the night sky. What other dazzling objects do you know? What other dazzling objects do you know? Dewdrops, candles, diamonds. Lesson 2, story time. The twins. Once upon a time, there were 2 twins named Tim and Tina. One afternoon, while walking in the woods, they heard a tiny tweet. Did you hear that? Tina whispered. Behind a bush, they found a small bird with a hard wing. The bird had bright feathers and twinkling eyes. We have to help it, said Tim. They gently picked it up using a curved twig. Back home, they made a soft nest using an old towel. Tina used a spoon to give it 12 drops of water. The bird twisted its head and let out a happy tweet. The twins named the bird Twinkle. Every day they cared for Twinkle with love. After a week, Twinkle flapped its wings and flew a little. On the 12th day, Twinkle flew high into the sky. The stars twinkled above as if saying goodbye. Helping others makes the world shine brighter, said Tina. Review the story. Lesson 3. Who are the main characters in the story? and Tina are the main characters. What did the twins hear in the woods? They heard a tiny tweet from a bird. How did the twins help the bird? They picked it up with a twig and made a soft nest at home. What did they name the bird? They named it Twinkle. How many drops of water did Tina give the bird? She gave it 12 drops of water. What happened on the 12th day? Twinkle flew high into the sky. What lesson can we learn from the story? Helping others brings happiness and makes the world bright.